नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में हैं। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। फॉलोइंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग अपसाइड रैली इन द प्रीवियस सेशन, द मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस traded without a clear direction on Tuesday. However, they still managed to close in the green. The Nasdaq gained 0.53%, the S&P 500 edged up by 0.16%, while the Dow ended flat. The Brent crude ended on a flat note on Tuesday. So going ahead, the 50-day EMA will act as a crucial hurdle, which is currently placed at near $73 level. On the downside, the zone of 71.3 to $71 will act as an immediate support. The US dollar index ended on a flat note. The major trend of the index is bearish as it trades below both its short and long term moving averages. Going ahead, if it slips below the level of 103.7, then it is likely to resume its southward journey. Talking about Nifty's view, after a sharp upside rally, the benchmark index Nifty took a breather on Tuesday but still managed to close with a slight gain. This marked the seventh consecutive session of positive closing for the index. During the session, the index briefly surged above its previous swing high of 23,807 but struggled to hold higher levels, leading to a pullback. It formed a bearish candle with an upper shadow on the daily chart. Meanwhile, the broader market indices, including Nifty Mid Cap and Nifty Small Cap 100, declined by over 1%, signaling a pause in the broader market after a strong upside rally. आगे चलकर निफ्टी के लिए 23,800 टू 23,830 का जोन एक क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक पहले का स्विंग हाई प्लेस्ड है। अगर इंडेक्स 23,830 लेवल के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो शॉर्ट टर्म में एक तेज़ अपसाइड रैली देखने को मिल सकता है जो 24,000 तक जा सकता है। वही डाउनसाइड पर 23,530 टू 23,500 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। ऑन द डेरिवेटिव्स फ्रंट, द मार्च फ्यूचर्स एंडेड ऑन अ फ्लैट नोट while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series surged by 4.20%. The 23,700 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 23,800 strike. On the put side, the 23,600 has a substantial open interest followed by the 23,500 strike. For the monthly series, OIPCR is at 0.96. Talking about Bank Nifty witnessed a minor profit booking after testing the 52,064 level. It has formed a bearish candle with shadows on either side. आगे चलकर 51,900 टू 52,000 का जोन एक क्रूशियल हर्डल का काम करेगा, जबकि 51,100 टू 51,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट रहेगा। Talking about Sensex view, on the monthly expiry day, the benchmark index Sensex failed to sustain above its prior swing high of 78,735 level, and thereafter witnessed a profit booking of over 650 points. On a daily scale, it has formed a bearish candle with long upper shadow. The long upper shadow indicates selling pressure near its prior swing high. आगे चलकर 78,400 टू 78,500 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल रहेगा, जबकि 77,600 टू 77,500 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट का काम करेगा। ऑन द डेरिवेटिव्स फ्रंट, द वीकली फ्यूचर्स सर्ज्ड बाय 0.20% and the open interest of the current series has surged by 1.10%. The 78,500 strike has a significant call open interest followed by the 79,000 strike. On the put side, the 77,500 has a substantial open interest followed by the 77,000 strike. For the monthly series, OIPCR is at 0.75. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility index India VIX ended on a flat note on Tuesday. So going ahead, the zone of 14.3 to 14.5 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. On the downside, the zone of 12.8 to 12.5 will act as an immediate support. The advanced decline ratio largely tilted in the favor of decliners. Now talking about the key sectors on Tuesday, most sectoral indices formed either a bearish engulfing or a dark cloud cover pattern, signaling a potential breather over the next few sessions. However, Bank Nifty and financial services are expected to sustain their outperformance in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data, the FI is bought to the tune of 5,370 crores, while the DI is sold to the tune of 2,768 crores. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 32.94, as on a net basis they bought 4,892 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.